Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll show you all methods that you can use to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, so the first method, which as you can see I am using right now, is the wireless method. And you can just buy a wireless stand like this and just put your phone on it and it will charge. The second method is just using a USB-C cable, which you just plug in, and remember to, when you buy this phone, there is no power adapter, so you have to buy it yourself. So if we have that sorted out, you can also go into settings right here, and here find battery, then go down again also until you find wireless power sharing, and this option will be available on the other Samsungs, for example the Samsung 25 and 25 Plus, or you can enable this feature and you will be able to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with them. But if using this option on this phone, for example if you have an iPhone, so you can just flip your phone like this, and if your friend, for example, wants to charge your phone, you can just put your phone like this and it should work. But I believe the case must be in the way, or I didn't enable the option. Okay, so something is wrong. Okay, so let's just put the case away and let's see if the feature will work. As you can see, my iPhone is in fact charging. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.